come along, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. A is for apple, red, green, or gold. Juicy and sweet, a treat to hold. B is for bound so high, how high you go, rolling low and then sky. C is for cat who purrs on a mat, curled up and cozy, imagine that. D is for dog who runs in the park, chasing his tail till it's way past dark. E is for elephant, big and strong, waving his trunk and trumpeting a song. F is for fish who swims in the sea, gliding through water so gracefully. G is for goat who munches all day, chewing on grass in a funny way. H is for hat that sits on your head, yellow or purple or bright cherry red. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a favorite summertime frosty treat. J is for jump up high and down low, hop like a kangaroo, ready, set, go. K is for kite that soars in the sky, dancing with clouds as the wind blows by. L is for lion, the jungle's king, roaring so loudly, let his voice ring. M is for moon that shines at night, glowing above with a silvery light. N is for nest where baby birds sleep, cuddled together in feathers so deep. O is for owl who hoots hoo-hoo, watching the forest the whole night through. P is for penguin sliding on ice, waddling around, oh isn't that nice. Q is for queen with crown and gown, smiling and waving to all in town. R is for rainbow after the rain, colors of magic across the plain. S is for sun that warms the day, chasing the chilly clouds away. T is for train, chugging along, toot toot it whistles a traveling song. U is for umbrella when skies are gray, keeping us dry as we splash and play. V is for violin, sweet and clear, playing a melody we all love to hear. Every whisper wave, gentle and wide, swimming with grace through the ocean tide. X is for xylophone, clink, clink, cling, rainbow of sounds that happily sing. I is for yak with hair so long, trekking the mountains strong and strong. C is for zebra striped black and white, galloping quickly with all its might. Now I've sung my ABCs, next time won't you sing with me?